Let's move on to our another esteemed speaker, Mr. Santosh Pant, the Secretary of the Northern Indian Regional Council of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. With over 15 years, yes, with over 15 years of exemplary leadership, Mr. Pant has been at the forefront of one of the leading cost accounting firms in Delhi NCR. His extensive experience and dedication to the field make him a luminary in the realm of cost accounting. As the Secretary of NIRC, Mr. Santosh Pant brings a wealth of knowledge and insights that promise to enrich our understanding of the intricacies of cost accounting and the exchange. Let's welcome him warmly, Mr. Santosh Pant.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me in this auspicious, I can say, program. Thank you, Sandeep ji. Thank you, Madhuri ji. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Sanjay Jakar ji, YP Bhola ji, Anuj Gupta ji, Sangam Agrawal ji, RC Gupta ji, and guest of today's audience, and respected young, you can say, fellow members or fellow champ. Though today's topic is not relevant with our expertise, because as dear friends have told that I am a cost accountant, but yes, in the commodity market, I keep investing since last 15 years. So I'll share a bit of those things. Before you can say that give you much idea about the some mistakes I have observed. Like first mistakes is that if you have not invested till yet, that means this is the first mistake you are making. So start investing from today, because once you start investing in the market, you will keep update yourself about the economy. Gradually you will be an expert in the finance field, in the economic field. So if you are in the finance profession especially, so please keep investing, please keep tracking economic activities, otherwise somehow you will lack in your professional career, because that gives you an acumen where you will learn that okay, this is happening in the market and I should mold myself according to in the world economy, that is due to the some small hindrances, but what impact that hindrances takes to the market, that is, you know, that is the main thing. So keep investing, first thing is that. Second, as Anuj ji told, that people always, you know, jump into the option market, while at the you can say that investor category, people keep investing for a long time, but once the volatility comes in the market, they thought okay, this is the good option to switch into the option market. So people jump into the option market, and the moment he jump into the option market, certainly he will catch the fire. No one can make in the option market money over there, that is sure. And as Anuj told, only 1% people can make money in the option market. Those are using algo, not we and you people, because we have not that much of instinct what algo has, because it is like, you know, far beyond the AI systems. Algo is there, so you cannot beat algo. So don't keep trying on the option market. This is completely, you can say that, falling knife, or you can say that you are putting your hand in the fire. So avoid option always. Yes, if you have a size in your portfolio, then in the volatility market, in the volatile market, you can hedge yourself with the option. Like if you have 25 lakh or 30 lakh portfolio and you are bit, you can say, worry about the certain fall due to the political uncertainties, due to any other reason, international, national or whatever. But if you feel that this is going to happen, so keep some put. Or not for the long time, because that will, again, this time money will reduce. So keep for the short time, whatever the, you can say, the hurdle period. So that is, otherwise play like, you can say, the gambler in the option market. And second thing is, like, if you are going to invest in the market, so first study on that script thoroughly. Don't believe on the TV channels or any expert, I can say. Unless you convince on that script, don't go for any investment. So first thing, you want to enter into the market. Second, if you want to enter into the market, so where I should invest my money? Before convincing yourself, don't enter into the market. So once you enter into the market, so you will not worry about any volatility, because you have gone through that script. You have gone through all, you can say, that company's financial. So in that situation, you will determine, okay, I have studied on about that script, so you will not lose money. Sometimes otherwise, as I have seen, in my case also, I was, before coming into this program, I told to one person that I have, you can say that I have quitted from all my portfolio in last week, just because of the volatility. And I am, waiting for the fall, but it is not good. Sometimes you can sell off few of your portfolio part, but not entirely. But the volatility come that keeps you, that push you to quit from your portfolio. So once you gone through your whatever you are trading, in the next day, SEBI or CDSL or NSDL, so they keep throwing their contract note on your registered mail ID. So keep tracking on that. Sometimes it happens that there might be wrong entries in those contract notes, or sometimes you don't have idea about that. The exchange made some mistakes. Sometimes brokerage houses made some mistakes. So that kind of mistakes you can avoid from keeping your regular vigil on your contract notes. And third is like one more point, invest without your leverage. If you are borrowing money from somewhere and you thought that you will earn more money from the you can say from the cost of borrowing, you will earn more money from that, so it will not gonna happen. So please don't borrow money and invest in the market. If you are investing, rather small investment will be the good option from the borrowing money from the outside and keeping into the market. So don't borrow money in the market. And I think last point is that if you are investing in the market, so learn to protect your money. Otherwise someday you will lose your money and you will blame onto the market that, okay, this market is very bad, I have lost that much of money. So learn to protect your money. That is more important, because when you will aware about your money, hard earned money, so you will try to learn, get knowledge. You will try to gather knowledge from other sources. Okay, how to protect myself, how to protect my money from the other hindrances. So you will keep learning, and you will become a good professional also, and certainly your money will grow. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now we would like to felicitate our representative from the Bombay Stock Exchange, Jasdeep Singh Kohli ji. And for that, I would request Shilpi Yadav ma'am and CA Vipin Agrawal sir to please felicitate Shri Jasdeep Singh Kohli ji. Jasjeet Singh Kohli ji. We'll felicitate our esteemed speaker, Shri Anuj Gupta, and for that I would like to call upon Shri Ankur Jain ji and Jagbandhu Kar ji to felicitate Shri Anuj Gupta ji. Next, we would be felicitating our esteemed speaker Santosh Pant ji, and for that I would request Rahul and Shivani Gupta to please come forward. Next, we would like to felicitate R.C. Gupta sir, and for that I would like to request Rohan Sharma ji and Sandhya Tripathi ji to please come forward and felicitate R.C. Gupta sir. Now we would be felicitating our esteemed speaker Sanjay Kakhar sir, and for that I would like to call upon Rajiv Banerjee sir and Rakesh Chaudhary ji to please come forward and felicitate Kakhar sir. A huge round of applause. Now it's time to honor Shri Sangam Kumar Agrawal ji, and for that we would like to call upon Ujjwal Datta ji and Jeevan Chandra ji to please felicitate Sangam Kumar Agrawal ji. And now we would be felicitating our beloved P.K. Sabarwal ji, and for that I would like to call Jagdish sir, Dharmendra sir and C.A. Sunita Dalal ma'am to please come up forward and felicitate Sabarwal ji.
Harinder Pass India ke aaya. Part of my family member is here. So I will actually बड़े दिनों बाद कोई फैमिली मेंबर सामने बैठा था पर मेरी स्पीच उनसे पहले हो गई.
A round of applause everyone.
इन्होंने फैमिली का मेरे दूर है.
So with that we are done with the first session. We'll begin the next session in just a minute. Thank you so much everyone.